I am going to show you how to upload and register your content onto the BitRights platform. It's pretty simple. You log in, and it'll take you to your home page, which shows you your dashboard of your activity and licensing summary. Then you can go to Content Management, under which you can click Register Content. Here you have the option to select licenses that have been pre-populated, but if it's a new piece of work, you're going to want to create a new piece of work. So, for example, the title can be hyenas. If I want to type in some information about hyenas, the owner will be myself, so Chris figures out my name. I'm also the creator, and I am able to add multiple. If I would like to add someone else as an owner, like Shannon wrote the show, I can do that as well, and the system will recognize that. Same goes for creators. You can create a description, so hyenas in Africa. And I do want it to be licensable, so I want to be able to create licenses for it. And I want it to show up on the public page so that others can discover my work and buy licenses that I create at later points in time. That will be a different module. You can create custom metadata fields as well. So if I want to, for example, capture the location, I can do that pretty easily here by just adding a field. And you can customize this to anything you want. So for example, if you want to capture the mood that you were in when you had this file being created, you can do that as well. Now I'm going to find a piece of content that I'd like to upload. So here we have some safari pictures. I got to find a picture of a hyena. Here's one. And if I have any supporting files, I can also include them. So if there was other terms and conditions, that will be here. I'll just make something up for now. Let's pretend that this file should be appropriate to attach alongside. When I'm done, I can click Register. What's happening is the picture is being loaded onto the BitRights platform, being saved, so it takes a couple of seconds. But eventually what will pop up is a record of the entire article. In this case, the article is a picture, and you can see that it's registered on our system. So now the file is created, the timeline of its activity is begun, and if you create licenses, or if you create derivative works, or if you make any changes to this record using the edit button, all of that will show up on the history here, so you can track what's happening to your content at any point in time. If you'd like to just take a look at your content, you can see that any content that is yours shows up in the My Content section. So here's a list of everything that I've already registered to date. You can deactivate and reactivate things. So by deactivating something, it will come offline for your public pages, and it will just clean up your My Content page as well. So things that are top of mind, I typically keep in My Content, and things that I am no longer using, I put into the deleted category. You can see you can click in here, and that's how you create and update files on the BitRights platform. Thanks very much.